Hi there folks, got another product review for you today. This is the Millenium PP2B Phantom Power Supply. Now if you need phantom power to power a condenser mic like I do for my home recording system, and you don't have a phantom power supply, like for instance the Lexicon Alpha that I've got there will not provide phantom power, then you're going to need an external phantom power solution. Now the reason I like this one is because you've got two options in terms of getting power to this box. You can either power it from the mains using the supplied 12 volt DC power adapter, or you've got the option to use two 9 volt batteries. Now the reason why the battery option is good is it remains portable. Something like the Lexicon Alpha is powered by the USB port. There's no external power, so you can say chuck it in a laptop bag and it can go anywhere with you. And you could also put this in the bag as well and it'll run off the battery, so it retains portability. But if you prefer not to use batteries, if you're using this in a more permanent setup, then obviously you've got the option to power it off the mains as well, which is brilliant. You've also got the option to power two microphones with the one box. So you've got the mic one output, which will go either to the PA or the recording device, and the mic one input, which is where you will plug in the microphone. And then you've got the same again, mic 2 output, mic 2 input. You've also got switchable phantom power voltage, so you can either provide 12 volts or 48 volts. The studio mic that I've got needs the full 48 volts, and yes, two 9 volt batteries will provide the 48 volts you need. So there's obviously some transformer circuitry in here, and it is a heavy box. It's a solid metal box, so that is going to take some abuse if you need it to, and often you do with any kind of equipment like this. So that's pleasing. The rubber feet on the bottom came in the box, and you stuck them on yourself. So you can choose to use those or not. I'm also looking at the width of it and wondering if it's possible to build this into a computer chassis. It might well fit with maybe a few little brackets into a 5 1/4 inch drive bay if you really wanted to do that, I think. Don't quote me on it, but it might well work. The good thing about this as well, it's not expensive. Millenium is a brand sold by Tommen, which is a German, they call it a cyber store. So they have a massive array of PA equipment if you're not familiar with them. It's based in Germany, but they ship, certainly ship to the UK where I'm based. I think they ship to all sorts of places, may even ship to the States, probably ship worldwide. So this costs, I think with the exchange rate euro to the pound, it was about £25. So it's a good piece of kit, does a great job. I've used it with my recording studio. It doesn't seem to put any noise into the line, which is great. It doesn't seem to cause any interference. I've only used it on battery, though I've not used it on mains. But I'm kind of expecting it's going to be exactly the same on mains. It does a job, you know. It's designed to do a very simple job, and it does a very simple job very effectively. So thank you very much for watching this brief review of the Millenium PP2B Phantom Power Supply.